Welcome to today's deep dive into one of the most exciting opportunities in the AI revolution, creating visual products that actually sell. If you've ever wondered how people are making thousands of dollars selling logos, printables, and templates online, you're about to discover the exact blueprint. The AI design market is exploding, with tools becoming more powerful and accessible every single day. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone with design experience, AI has leveled the playing field in ways we've never seen before. Today, I'm going to show you how to tap into this massive opportunity, avoid the common pitfalls, and build a sustainable visual products business. By the end of this presentation, you'll have a clear roadmap to start generating income from AI created visual content. Let's dive in and transform your creative potential into cold, hard cash. The numbers don't lie. We're witnessing the biggest shift in creative industries since the invention of Photoshop. The AI design tools market is projected to reach 15.6 or $15.06 billion by 2029, growing at an incredible 22.1% annually. What's more exciting is that over 50% of businesses are already using AI design tools, which means the market is validated and hungry for quality content. This isn't some future trend we are talking about. This is happening right now, and early adopters are cashing in big time. The digital products market on platforms like Etsy alone generates over $2.5 billion annually, and AI is making it easier than ever to create professional quality products. Teachers Pay Teachers, just one educational marketplace, has $879 million in annual revenue, with 85% of US teachers using the platform. These aren't just statistics. They represent real money flowing to creators who understand how to leverage AI tools effectively. Let me introduce you to the four powerhouse tools that are changing everything in visual creation. MidJourney leads the pack for artistic and creative imagery, with subscription plans starting at just $10 per month and commercial rights included. DALL-E 3, integrated with ChatGPT Plus, excels at precise prompt following imagery and costs only $20 monthly for unlimited generations. Canva AI brings professional design capabilities to everyone, with a free tier that's surprisingly robust and a pro plan at $15 monthly that includes advanced AI features. Stable Diffusion rounds out our toolkit as the open source powerhouse, completely free to use with unlimited commercial rights, though it requires a bit more technical know how. The beauty of this ecosystem is that you can start with free tools and gradually upgrade as your business grows. Each tool has its strengths, and successful creators often use multiple tools depending on the project requirements. Logo design used to require years of training and expensive software, but AI has completely democratized this lucrative field. The process starts with crafting effective prompts in MidJourney or DALL-E, focusing on style, industry, and brand personality rather than complex technical details. Once you have your AI generated concepts, you refine them in Canva or Adobe Express, adjusting colors, typography, and layout to create professional brand packages. The monetization opportunities are incredible. Individual logos sell for $25 to $150, while complete brand kits can command $200 to $500 or more. Platforms like Fiverr, 99 Designs, and Direct Client Outreach provide multiple revenue streams for your logo design services. The key is positioning yourself as an AI powered designer who delivers fast, affordable, professional results rather than competing with traditional designers on their terms. Smart logo designs or designers are earning $2,000 to $5,000 monthly by combining AI efficiency with human creativity and design acumen. The printables market is absolutely exploding, and AI is making it possible for anyone to create professional quality digital products. Wall art and motivational posters are perennial bestsellers, with successful shops earning $1,000 to $3,000 monthly from art prints alone. Educational materials like worksheets, flashcards, and activity sheets tap into the massive homeschooling and teacher markets. Planners and organizational tools never go out of style, especially when you can create themed collections for specific niches. The beauty of printables is that you create them once and sell them forever. True passive income at its finest. Successful printable creators focus on trending keywords, seasonal content, and solving specific problems for their target audiences. The data shows that bundled products significantly outperform individual items, with customers willing to pay premium prices for comprehensive collections. Social media templates represent one of the fastest growing segments in digital products, driven by the explosion of content creators and small businesses needing professional visuals. Instagram story templates, Pinterest pins, and Facebook post designs are in constant demand from influencers, coaches, and entrepreneurs. The key to success in the space is understanding current design trends and creating templates that save busy creators hours of work. Business owners desperately need professional marketing materials but can't afford custom design services, making template packs the perfect solution. Successful template creators earn $1,500 to $4,000 monthly by focusing on specific niches like fitness coaches, real estate agents, or beauty brands. The recurring nature of social media means customers often return for fresh seasonal collections and trending designs. AI tools make it possible to create dozens of variations quickly, allowing you to dominate specific niches with comprehensive template libraries. The educational materials market is massive and underserved, making it perfect for AI powered creators who understand what teachers and students actually need. Teachers Pay Teachers alone has 85% of US teachers as active users, spending an average of $400 annually on classroom resources. Worksheets, activity sheets, and assessment tools are consistently top sellers, especially when aligned with curriculum standards. The homeschooling market adds another layer of opportunity, with parents seeking engaging, professional quality educational materials. AI excels at creating variations of successful formats. Once you identify a winning worksheet design, you can adapt it across subject and grade levels. Educational creators who focus on specific subjects or grade levels often build up loyal followings and recurring revenue streams. The key is combining AI efficiency with genuine educational value and understanding of learning objectives. Choosing the right platform can make or break your visual products business, and each major marketplace has distinct advantages and audiences. Etsy dominates the creative marketplace with over 90 million active buyers, making it perfect for art prints, planners, and lifestyle products. Gumroad excels for digital creators with its simple setup and creator friendly fee structure, ideal for template bundles and design resources. Teachers Pay Teachers owns the educational space with 85% of US teachers as users, making it the go to platform for any educational content. The smart strategy is multi platform diversification. Successful creators often list the same products across multiple platforms to maximize exposure and revenue. Each platform has different SEO requirements, customer expectations, and optimal pricing strategies that you need to understand. The most successful creators treat platform optimization as seriously as product creation, constantly testing and refining their listings for maximum visibility. Legal compliance might not be the most exciting topic, but it's absolutely critical for building a sustainable visual products business that won't get you in trouble down the road. The good news is that major AI platforms like MidJourney and DALL-E have clear commercial use policies that grant you rights to sell the content you generate as a subscriber, but you need to understand the nuances and limitations. The key is adding your own human creativity and modifications to the AI generated content, which strengthens your ownership claims and makes your products more unique and valuable. Never ever use copyrighted characters, logos, or trademark content in your prompts. This is the fastest way to get hit with takedown notices or legal action. When sourcing reference images, stick to CC0 licensed content from platforms like Unsplash or Pexels, and always document your creation process by saving original prompts and iterations as proof of your work. Include clear licensing statements in your product descriptions to build trust with customers and protect yourself legally. For high volume sellers, consider investing in legal insurance or consulting with an intellectual property attorney to ensure you're fully protected as AI content laws continue to evolve. Pricing is where most creators leave money on the table. So let's dive into the data driven strategies that maximize your revenue without pricing yourself out of the market. The key insight is that different product types have completely different pricing psychology. Individual templates should be priced for impulse purchases at $3 to $15, while bundles can command premium prices because buyers perceive higher value. Template bundles of 5 to 10 items typically sell at $15 to $45, which represents about 60 to 70% of what the individual items would cost separately, creating a win-win scenario. Premium brands that include commercial licenses, bonus materials, and comprehensive brand guidelines can command $50 to $150 because you're selling a complete solution, not just individual pieces. Educational resources on platforms like TPT have their own pricing dynamics, with most successful products falling in the $2 to $25 range, depending on complexity and grade level. The secret to maximizing revenue isn't just about setting the right price. It's about creating value tiers that guide customers towards higher value purchases while still offering accessible entry points for budget conscious buyers. Smart pricing also means understanding seasonal trends, competitor analysis, and the psychological triggers that drive purchasing decisions in your specific niche. Building a successful visual products empire isn't just about creating great designs. It's about thinking like a visual owner from day one. Your foundation strategy should start with clearly defining your niche and target audience because trying to serve everyone means you'll connect with no one. Develop a consistent visual style that becomes your signature. This means using the same color palettes, typography, and design elements across all your products so customers instantly recognize your work. Start with 3 to 5 core products and validate demand before expanding, because it's better to have a few bestsellers than a catalog full of products that don't sell. Building an email list from day one is crucial for creating direct customer relationships that aren't dependent on platform algorithms. For example, focusing on automating your production processes with AI workflows and template systems that let you create variations quickly. Product bundles and seasonal collections are gold mines for increasing your average order value from $5 to $25 or more. Diversifying across multiple platforms reduces your risk and maximizes your reach. But remember that each platform requires its own optimization strategy. Finally, become obsessed with your metrics. Track what's working, optimize your top performers, and don't be afraid to phase out products that aren't pulling their weight in your business. We've covered a lot of ground today, but now it's time to turn knowledge into action and build your AI powered visual products empire. The four key takeaways I want you to remember are: start small and scale smart by mastering one tool and category before expanding, focus relentlessly on market demand rather than just what you think looks good, stay legally compliant to protect your business and reputation, and build systems for long term success rather than quick wins. The opportunity in AI visual products is massive and growing every day, but success comes to those who take consistent action with the right strategy. I've seen complete beginners go from zero to $2,500 monthly revenue within 90 days by following the exact framework I've shared today. Your next steps are clear. Choose your first AI tool and niche this week. Create your first 5 products within the next 2 weeks, launch your chosen platform by the end of the month, and then scale and optimize based on real market data. The AI design revolution is creating millionaires every month, and there's absolutely no reason you can't be one of them. The tools are available, the market is hungry, and now you have the roadmap. All that's left is to take action and claim your share of this incredible opportunity. Thanks so much for watching today's episode. If this helped you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next tutorial. Give the video a like. It really helps more content creators discover this content. And share it with anyone who is ready to build smarter income streams with AI. If you want to go deeper, check out my book AI Side Hustles. It's packed with step-by-step strategies and real examples to help you launch your first AI-powered project. You'll find the link right below this video. Thanks again for being here. Let's keep building your future, one smart hustle at a time.